Hello, welcome guys. The one stop which helps you to buy best tech products is one and only from BuyTech. Alright guys, welcome back to BuyTech. Today, we're testing the bass on the GOVO soundbar, and this is where things get serious. I'm just attaching you the original audio. First up, let's check how it handles music. I'm playing a bass-heavy track to see if it delivers that punch we all love. Right away, you can feel the depth. It's got that nice thump without drowning out the details. Perfect for those who love their beats. I can play you the wonderful music, but I hope you guys know the copyrights issue. What to do? Next, let's fire up a movie scene. Explosions, rumbles. Let's see how immersive it gets. I'm just attaching you the original audio.
Don't scare me.
The bass here is strong,
You feel that?
filling the room and adding that cinematic feel. Fantastic, right? It's not too overpowering, just right for action-packed moments. Overall, the GOVO soundbar's bass is solid. It delivers deep lows, whether you're jamming to music or watching a movie. If you're a bass lover, this one's worth considering. That's it for the bass test. If you want more reviews and tests like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. See you in the next one.